We just got home from, I don't know, Slovakian party, and we got given all these mushrooms. Apparently we need to cut and wash them all, otherwise they're going to go bad. We need to do it tonight. But I'm 10 shots in, and there are 40, 50 ml shots, so... Hello! Once cut, leave to dry on newspaper in the sun. Some holiday. Setting the scene up for a photo shoot. I had to go round and find a couple of snails in the garden, but it turned out alright in the end. This is, what's it called?
Stuffing.
Stuffing, but
it's
there's meat in there. And
well, after lunch, once again, me and Matt were given a task to complete by the end of the day. We had to dig a hole and make a fire pit. We did that, and then it was decided that we should celebrate by having a little barbecue. Unfortunately, the metal struts that Matt had picked, I'd like to reinforce that it was his bad idea, decided to bend. But luckily I was standing by with a spade and managed to stick it in to save the barbecue. So luckily, good time was had by all. So after I cured my hangover, the next day we went out to do this toboggan slide thing.
Ahoy! Jeez! Flying down here. Sweet!
Baboka. And what's the stuffing called?
Bunka.
Bunka.
Bunka. Bunka.
Bunka. I tried to keep it secret. I really did. I tried as hard as I could, but I guess they must have remembered. It was my birthday, and Auntie Anna came round with a t-shirt for me. Very nice, considering that we only met a few days ago. And we had a few Nastraviers. I was keeping it quiet because I didn't want to die of alcohol poisoning. But still, thank you for the t-shirt.
Someone's offering repairing the fences and stuff.
Butti.
Ściewankowi cukor chcesz? Ano? Ja ci posypię.
to stary by on tak nie będzie buchać. O, smell.
In the pool.
There's no brakes on this thing? 40%.
Vodka made of wild blueberry.
Vodka made of wild blueberry, 40% cold. It's going to be interesting. And of course, after having some vodka, it was time to carry on working and empty that pond. Next day, decided to go out, pick up some motorbike parts from BMW, then head off to some of the local trails. Had a little refreshing radler, then went to a little restaurant. See, managed to get my veg, that little bit of green on top. Slovakian cuisine is meat, bread and potatoes. That's all they have. This is what the water looked like before the pond was emptied. Horrible and green. So, of course, another job, install a new pump.
Stand back.
Hey, that was... Right, let me strengthen that one. And we're good. So, it just, when they changed the road, that just works.
Yeah.
How old do you think this is? Maybe more. Base electricity. It's not a tram line, it's a tram on wheels. So I got my brake pads, changed them over. They were low, maybe they didn't need doing, but now they're brand new on there, so that's good, that'll last. Load up the bike and off I go. A gift from Radka's father, another one. Animal deterrent. It's like a high-pitched whistle. Goes on the front of my bike, and that will keep the bears away. Oh, so where am I? Hungary. So many sunflowers in Hungary, they're just everywhere. And just stop for a minute. Got a bit hot doing this. Not too bad. This is a road. Santa said go down here, so kind of did. Anyway, so yeah, just carry on going, I guess. Campsite later on. So yeah, I'm good. It's an interesting one. I'm now at the very edge of the border, so somewhere over there there's a river, and across the river is Ukraine. And there is no map information on Ukraine on my sat-nav. So this will be interesting. This campsite is right up on the border. It's too hard to do anything at the moment, so I'm just parked in the shade. Rest for a bit, and then I guess put camp up. I was actually beginning to miss the rain a bit. Well, I'm in a thunderstorm now. Well, dear. Here's that. Well, I'm cooking in a thunderstorm. Kind of retreated to my entrance. Luckily I've got this tree. It's giving me like quite a lot of shelter. A bit of shelter. And when the rain gets a bit heavier, just zip it over. Just gotta keep an eye on the pot. It's fine. We're all good. Part of the adventure, I guess. Anyway, tomorrow, Ukraine. Everyone's telling me, don't go Ukraine. Ukraine? You're going to lose your bike in Ukraine. I lost my bike in England. So yeah. Tomorrow, Ukraine. Hope the weather gets a little bit better.